If you live in Scotland, especially if you're in one of our beautiful rural areas such as Moray, your morning may well start with a daily ritual, the commute to work. Many of us jump into the car without a second thought, confident that we have motor insurance in place to cover us if any accident should occur. But care is required because it can be possible to come a cropper to the extent of personal liability running into thousands of pounds if you've not properly checked the fine print of your policy. Hi, I'm Brash from Moray Claims at Grigor and Young in Elgin, and in this video I want to talk briefly about motor insurance to cover commuting. It's a specific type of coverage designed to protect you during that daily trip to and from your workplace. You might think your standard policy covers it, but many people are only familiar with social, domestic and pleasure cover and don't realise that commuting is often a separate requirement. Why does it matter? Well, statistics show a significant number of accidents happen during peak commuting hours. If you have an accident while driving to work and you haven't clarified that your policy covers commuting, your insurer might decide that you were underinsured, or worse, even effectively uninsured at the time. In the Moray Claims website article which accompanies this video, we share two real-life case studies that are quite eye-opening. One of these involves a Moray-based single parent with young children who faced a £14,000 bill because their insurer initially voided their policy. We helped them to resolve matters fully, but unfortunately the case highlights some really shocking behaviour from insurance companies that you need to be aware of to protect yourself. At Moray Claims, we want to make sure you aren't caught out by these technicalities, so don't blindly assume that your insurer, and I do mean your own motor insurer, is acting in your best interests. It's always better to check your paperwork now than to face the consequences later.